हाथों में नमन, आंखों में प्यार, जुबां पर हैं दो लफ्ज, सुनो मेरे यार। शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज की महफिल में आने का। गुड मॉर्निंग बीएनआई। आज स्वागत करते हैं आप सबका तहे दिल से आपकी अपनी बीएनआई दिल्ली साउथ के टैलेंट हंट के इवेंट में। On behalf of BNI Delhi South, I, Dr. Nidhi Gupta, आपकी host and दोस्त, along with my co-host Mohit Sareen and Krishma Bhagat, welcome you all for the first semi-final round of BNI Delhi South Got Talent. Are we all excited? Can I see your excitement in the chat box?
Yes.
Yay! I'm looking for the responses in the chat box. Yes. Thank you everyone for your responses. कहते हैं शिक्षक साधारण नहीं होता, असाधारण होता है. Yes, my friends, शिक्षक मतलब mentors. Our mentors, Anupam sir and Anjali's mom's initiative have made this event possible. It is under their able guidance that we are able to conduct this event on this mega scale. हमारे भारतीय सभ्यता में एक अलग ही दर्जा है हमारे अतिथियों का. अतिथि देवो भव. Today we are joined by our esteemed guests who are going to judge our event today. Let's have a huge round of applause for our Atithi Gan, Reet, Andre, and Kavita in the chat box. We welcome you all, our esteemed guests. I'm sure you will keep the chat box buzzing. Thank you all for gracing the occasion today. And over to Krishma.
Let me introduce you to our first judge. So we'll start with Reet K. Shroff's introduction. So she's into fabric manufacturing. She's an assistant area director at BNI Mumbai West. She's a 10-year-old member in BNI, a member of BNI Pinnacle. She's been on the leadership team thrice, each time stirring her chapter into top 3 chapters of Mumbai. Reet became a director consultant six years ago, and since then she has supported various chapters, of which became 100+ member chapters within few months. Reet has also launched 6 chapters previously. 7th one is on its way. She is now a co-assistant area director of Mumbai West region and supports 4 chapters in that capacity. 14 chapters in that capacity. She was recently invited as a panelist at the BNI Global Conference, where she was asked to share best practices about BNI Mumbai. Reet's passion to help others achieve their passion and goal. Her mantra in life is hard work, and hard work is the key to success, and she lives by the vision of sky is the limit. Let's hear from Reet as how she's feeling about this event today.
Thank you so much, Krishma, for that lovely introduction. And good morning, Delhi South, Sat Sri Akal, Namaste. Well, you know, I am a North Indian by origin. So Delhi is very close to my heart. I have a lot of childhood memories from Delhi, eating the chole bhature there, having the meethi lassi there. Absolutely amazing moments when I got married. मैंने पूरी shopping Delhi से की थी. So a true, Delhi person by heart. It is so nice to be here. Thank you so much, Anjali, Raina, Mohit, Krishma, everyone for inviting me here. And I'm super duper excited for the show today. Well, winners and all that to bas कहने की बातें होती है. It's all about the participation. So all the best to all the participants. You all are already stars for us today. Wishing you all the best and looking forward to this wonderful evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Reet. So now let me introduce our next judge, which is Andre Shackleton. He's a corporate trainer. He's from BNI Apparent, District Director, Training BNI, and Deputy Director, BNI Goa. Lots of hats he's wearing. Andre has been a corporate trainer for over 18 years. Coming from an operations background across verticals in the various service sector, he is also a specialist trainer of trainers. His assignments have taken him to various cities in India and also deployments overseas. His interests, that's very as in unique, you know, I'm just going to read through it. His interests lie in the science of paleontology. First of all, when I heard this word, I actually had to go back to dictionary and figure out what it really means, and I could not even pronounce it. Then I had to go and look for a vocabulary as to how to really pronounce it. Volcanology, noetics, and the paranormal, some heavy stuff right there. An adventurer at heart and a bit of an adrenaline junkie, his recent escapade found him bungee jumping into the Victoria Falls in Zambia. And though this is not the highest he has jumped from, awesome. I mean, I must take some lessons from him. Statistics and analytics being a passion, is also a technical analyst on the stock markets, having successfully trained over 800 people on the concepts of financial intelligence. His stock trading course for beginners has a great following. He is versatile in the subjects that he trains in and also the audience he has trained, from senior management to students, from prisoners to preachers. Work-life management for corporates and youth are his forte. Andre looks really excited hearing his own intro. So let's hear out of him as to how he's feeling being here with us today.
Mohit, thank you for that amazing intro. And for all of us BNI members, we know how the intros are written. Okay, so having said that, I must say this, it's a special honor to have been invited to an event like this. I'm already learning a lot from you guys, and I'm going to take this back to our region. Delhi South, Anjali ma'am, Anupam sir, I've been, I've known you for almost a better part of the last decade. Really inspired by the work that you're doing. Delhi has a special place in my heart too. Like Reet, I spent most of my childhood around Delhi. I've studied for almost 10 or 12 years around Delhi, Ghaziabad, Sonipat, Chandigarh. These are places I've actually studied. And basically Delhi is my childhood. So plenty of many memories there. Here in Goa, I don't want to leave Goa now. I'm very happy where I am. But this much I will say, as far as talent and participation goes, hats off to you guys. And to all our participants here, that you even stepped out of your comfort zone to participate in an event like this shows leadership, it shows creativity, it shows you stepping out of your comfort zone. Hats off to you guys. In my eyes, you all are the winners. All the best, and may the best participants win. Over
Awesome.
to you.
Thank you, Andre. Thank you for such lovely words. Nidhi, over to you.
वक्त ने ये क्या अदा नवाजी है, हम भी राजी हैं वो भी राजी हैं, बस एक मुश्किल है और वो ये है, आज हम MC और वो काजी हैं. And here I am introducing our next Qazi or judge, vibrant Kavita Avasthi. She is in the category of fashion designing from the region Pune West. Kavita is the owner of Poshak, a boutique dealing in pure Indian cotton and silk fabric from over 14 states in India. She is running the business for the past 28 years. She has over 5,000 clients in the countries all over the world. Her BNI stat says that she is the first president of her region. She is the first SDC. She is the first member in the region with 6 diamond pins. Oh, wow, that's great. And she has launched 11th chapter last month. Kavita, we would like to hear a few words of encouragement from you.
Good morning, Delhi. It's an absolute pleasure to be here with all of you and an absolute honor to share the dais with Anjali, with Rena, Mohit, and my 2 co-judges, Andre and Reet. It's an absolute pleasure to see all of you, wonderful participants, lovely categories in which all of you are participating. And I do agree with Andre, let the best person win. It is going to be a tough call for us. It's going to be tough for us to decide which of you is the winner. All the best, guys. I've got lovely memories about Delhi, and it's such a pleasure joining all of you on this beautiful forum. It's a wonderful initiative that Anjali has come up with, and all the best to you. It's lovely to see all of you. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita, for your words of encouragement. Guys, while we were introducing the judges, I can feel adrenaline rush in my body. And I'm sure what you must be feeling, especially our contestants. So before adrenaline rush overpowers you, some rules of the room. एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, पूरी 4 मिनट दी जाएंगी आपको आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को पूरा करने के लिए। और उसके बाद बाजी हमारे हाथ में नहीं होगी, क्योंकि आफ्टर 4 मिनट्स एक बजर की साउंड आएगी और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट की टर्न आएगी। So I request all the contestants to please stick to the time limit.
So let me take you through our sponsors. Our first sponsor is Priyanka Sachdeva. Her chapter is Exuberance. Her category is Essential Oils. And her giveaway is Magical Facial Oil Serum and Rose Water. Wow. Then our second sponsor is Neha Agarwal from Athena. Her category is Public Relations. And her giveaway is that she's going to help you develop a story narrative and get media story in relevant industry media. Wow. ये किसी ने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Now I'm regretting it. I should have participated. Our third sponsor is Adarsh Rungta from Empezar chapter. He's a Vastu consultant. His giveaway is 2-month service span of Vastu consultation for your business. And our fourth sponsor is Akarshan Srivastava from Elegant chapter. Again, he's a Vastu consultant. He's going to do a customized Vastu Kundli with special emphasis on the relation of direction with your success. So basically, if your table is in a certain direction, he's going to guide you through like कौन सी direction में बैठ के business अच्छा आएगा. अब ज्यादा इंतजार ना करते हुए आइए आपको ले चलते हैं एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया में, जहां सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, स्टैंड अप कॉमिक और पेंटिंग जैसे टैलेंट्स देखने को मिलेंगे। तो हमारे पहले पार्टिसिपेंट हैं जो BNI एम्पेजार में पिछले 6 साल से मेंबर हैं। आइए उनके बारे में कुछ जानते हैं। ही इज अ प्रमोटर डायरेक्टर एट LGF Sysmac. His company offers end-to-end architectural hardware solution to the aluminium and UPVC window and doors and facade industry. He's a dynamic entrepreneur and is an MBA from prestigious Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi. He carries a 20-year experience in business management and administration. He was a president of Confederation of Construction Products and Services for last 2 years and is an honorary member to the CII Delhi State Council. Wow. In 2018, he was conferred upon the Bharat Saman Award at the UK Parliament, House of Lords in London. One thing that a few know about him is that he is a certified life coach and is committed to transform life and relationships of people around him. He's also a brilliant cricket player. और कुछ रह गया है क्या? So let's welcome Ashim from chapter Empezar, who's going to mesmerize all of us today with his singing. Ashim, over to you now.
Thank you so much, Krishma, for the lovely introduction and good morning, BNI. मैं आप सब के सामने एक गाना पेश करने जा रहा हूँ and this is a गाना from किशोर कुमार, उनकी मूवी मेरे जीवन साथी. So here it goes. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां शर्मा गए, अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए, मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा, हाय ऐसे ना आहें भरा कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, आप कर्मा आपका नाम मेरा तराना और नहीं, इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा दिल का ठिकाना और नहीं, जचता ही नहीं आंखों में कोई। दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। यूं तो अकेला भी अक्सर गिर के संभल सकता हूँ मैं, तुम जो पकड़ लो हाथ मेरा दुनिया बदल सकता हूँ मैं। मांगा है तुम्हें दुनिया के लिए, अब तुम ही सनम फैसला कीजिए, ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, ओ मेरे चैन आए मेरे, ओ मेरे चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए। Thank you.
Wow, amazing. You should see the chat box. It's full of compliments.
Hashim, to be very honest, I was transported back in time that
Thank
you
you
could
so
sing the song without any musical accompaniment and carry the tune so beautifully. Hats off to you. Very well done.
Thank you. Thank you so
All
much.
the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
So now, guys, we proceed to sponsor set 2. And in this set, the first sponsor is Mohit Sareen from the chapter Athena. He is in the category of search engine marketing, and his giveaway is social media management for 2 platforms with 8 creatives for a month. Isn't that wonderful? The second is Arunava Mukherjee from the chapter Elegant. He is in the category of civil litigation, and he can help you frame your will. The third sponsor is Jagmohan S. Bhogal from the chapter Eat. He is in the category of corporate trainer and is giving you 3 sessions of training or a coaching of 2 hours each. The next sponsor is Anurag Sharma from the chapter Exuberance, and he is in the category of packers and movers. And his giveaway is beautiful hamper of coffee mugs. Hi ye garmi kar rahi hai audience after the wonderful performance. So चलिए एक मीठी सी आवाज से थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं. Calling on stage आवाज की मल्लिका. She is an event management expert and has been creating Cloud9 for people for the past 20 years. A moment of nirvana is when she is able to physically curate what her customer visualized and the shine in their eyes when it happens, and that inspires her to continue create memorable moments for others. Singing had been her first love, and while she says in her words, no matter how out of notes I go, I will never quit doing it. We have reasons to believe that we are able to witness some impeccable notes. So let's hear from Euphonious Upasna, what she has in store for us today. Over to you, Upasna.
Thank you so very much, Nidhi, for a lovely introduction. And hello to everyone. I hope I am able to do justice to what I'm going to sing right now. And I'm going to sing this medley and begin with Shiv Kumar Batalvi ji's very famous Nagma. Here I go. एक कुड़ी जिदा नाम मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है ओ एक कुड़ी जिदा नाम मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है साद मुरादी सोनी फपत गुम है, गुम है, गुम है। सूरत उसदी परियां वर्गी, सीरत दी ओ मरियम लगदी। हसदी है तां फुल झड़ देने, तुरदी है तां गजल है लगदी। लम सलमी सरों दे कददी, हाय उम्र हजे है मग के अगदी। पर नैना दी गल समझ दी, एक कुड़ी जिदा नाम मोहब्बत गुम है, गुम है, गुम है। या रब्बा दे दे कोई जान भी अगर, दिल भर पे होना, दिल भर पे होना कोई असर। ओ या रब्बा दे दे कोई जान भी अगर, दिल भर पे होना, दिल भर पे होना कोई असर। कैसा है सफर वफा की मंजिल का, ना है कोई हल दिलों की मुश्किल का। धड़कन धड़कन बिखरी रंजिशें, सांसें सांसें टूटी बंदिशें। कहीं तो हर लम्हा होठों पे फरियाद है, किसी की दुनिया चाहत में बर्बाद है। या रब्बा दे दे कोई जान भी अगर, दिल भर पे होना, दिल भर पे होना कोई असर। ओ या रब्बा लम सलमी सरों दे कददी, उम्र हजे है मर के अगदी। पर नैना दी गल समझ दी।
उपासना, हम खो गए आपकी परफॉर्मेंस में। Meanwhile, can I request Reet to please provide your valuable feedback about this performance?
Definitely, Nidhi. Thank you so much. And I feel privileged to be able to say something on this performance because मुझे तो ऐसा लगा मैं कोई reality show में बैठी हूँ. I mean, that's the quality of the talent that is being showcased here. So I'm so familiar with the tune and the rhythm of these songs, and I think you matched to it absolutely to perfection. Brilliant performance, Upasana ji. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
making this evening so amazing for us. I'm
Thank you
loving
so
it.
much. Thank you. I'm really humbled. Thank you.
Okay, I'm still not over Upasana's performance. Okay, so हमारा जो अगला contestant है वो एक ऐसी फील्ड से है जिस सब्जेक्ट को काफी सीरियस माना जाता है। ये जनाब पहले नोटों में खेलते थे, अब नोट इनकी उंगलियों पे खेलते हैं। So our next performer is an ex-banker turned entrepreneur. He's a financial advisor and helps his clients in financial planning and wealth management. His company name is MoneyGain Financial Services, situated in Okhla Phase 1, New Delhi, and Sector 35, Chandigarh. The choreographer of his life is Nidhi, and music is given by his two daughters, Naisha and Twisha. He loves to spend time with his family and cook for his kids. Let's welcome Sachin Jain from Chapter Kriga with his musical instrument. Over to you, Sachin.
Thank you, Krishna, for that lovely introduction. I'm really grateful to BNI for connecting me back to my instruments, which I had left behind, for such a long time. And this has been an Independence Day month. The inspiration that I was drawing to create something was for the soldiers, for our brave hearts, and I was able to create a fusion, which I'm sure you would all like it. It's something really fresh and new, and it's my own creation. It's a fusion of trance and Indian music. It's a fusion of pain and passion. It's a fusion of love and gratitude. And while I was doing it, I realized that it's Kriega, which is the German name for warrior, our chapter. And I could so relate to our EDs, ambassadors, my old LT colleagues, new LTs, my MCOM, my Kriega members. And I would then like to dedicate this song to them. So here it goes.
I had my eyes closed and I was listening to it. And I think when you were playing, your eyes were closed.
Yeah.
It was amazing. So I will request Judge Andre to say a few words about Sachin's performance, what he thought about it.
Sachin, to be very honest, the mix that you've chosen and the way you've mixed it, it evokes some kind of pride in our own nation. Somewhere I felt that it resonated with me on that level. But one thing that definitely comes through is your passion for your music. It shows very much on your face, and that has a high level of authenticity for me. Fantastic, really fantastic. For it to evoke an emotion, I do believe you've done justice to what you set out to do. All the best, my friend.
सर जितना मनोबल पार्टिसिपेंट का बढ़ाना जरूरी है, उतना ही मनोबल हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स का बढ़ाना भी जरूरी है, क्योंकि उनके बिना ये शो पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता था। तो हमारा अगले सेट ऑफ स्पॉन्सर्स हाजिर हैं स्क्रीन पे। सबसे पहले अतुल जैन फ्रॉम चैप्टर अथीना, ही इज द डायमंड ज्वेलर and he's going to give away a pearl diamond pendant or a necklace. Awesome. So I don't know किसको मिलेगा ये, जिसको भी मिलेगा।
पहले मुझे बताते, मैं भी पार्टिसिपेट करती।
उसकी वाइफ तो खुश हो जाएगी जिसको भी मिलेगा, मेरे को तो ये देख के बड़ी वो हो रही है। खैर, अमित वाचर, मैग्नानिमस, search engine optimization, he is going to give away SEO analysis and making website SEO ready for a month. Vijaya Khurana from chapter Mintage, she is an art supplier and she is going to give away an imported technology reminiscent of oil painting with gold leafing of size 38 by 51 inches. Tanaya Sharma from Magnanimous into health foods, a hamper containing jars of preserves, spreads, nectars, and baked goodies. And in the end, Vishal Jindal from Equipo, he's into computer accessories, and he's going to give an ERA USB 3.0 plus 2.0 combo hub. So thank you all the sponsors. And now we move on to our next participant, and let me introduce this participant. काबुली वाला आया काबुल कंधार से, काबुली वाले ये क्या झोली में तेरी है, झोली में मेरी एक जादू की छड़ी है, झोली में मेरी एक जादू की छड़ी है, झोली में तेरी जादू की छड़ी, तो जल्दी से बना दे हम सबको परी। तो हमारा अगला कंटेस्टेंट जो है वो दिल्ली साउथ का काबुली वाला है, जो प्रमोशनल झोले मतलब प्रमोशनल बैग्स बनाता है। Carrying forward the legacy of his family business, he is a graduate from Delhi University and MBA from Symbiosis Pune. He loves long drives and is passionate about music. Meeting new people and socializing is a hobby that he has. His mantra of life is जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। तो चलिए झांकते हैं अपने काबुली वाले के पिटारे में, कौन से सुर छिपे हैं आज। Let's welcome with a thunderous applause Vaibhav Singhal from chapter Empezar for his singing performance. Over to you, Vaibhav.
Thank you so much, Mohit, for this lovely introduction. I think you should also have participated as a singer. So guys, this is a song and a tribute to Kishore Kumar. So I hope I can do justice to this. So good to go. रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन। रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन। रिम झिम गिरे सावन। जब घुंघरूं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमा हमारे पलकें न मूंदे। जब घुंघरूं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमा हमारे पलकें न मूंदे। कैसे देखे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किस अजनबी से। हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन। सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, झिम गिरे सावन। Thank you so much.
Awesome, Vaibhav. Super performance. And in the meanwhile, let me ask Kavita to share some thoughts on the performance.
Thank you, Mohit and Vaibhav. Truly a nostalgic song, a beautiful selection. I must say, one of my favorites.
Thank you so much for that.
And you were perfectly on beat, in sync with the tunes. It's not very easy to sing with a karaoke in the background, but you've done a beautiful job, and all the best. Wonderful hearing you. It was absolutely a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Great performance. मोहित, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि ये हर एक परफॉर्मेंस के बाद स्टेज का पारा और हाई हो रहा है? ये शाम भी मस्तानी है, ये इवेंट भी निराली है। अब लगाने वाली है स्टेज पर आग। जो नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट है, उनका इंट्रोडक्शन मैं कुछ ऐसे दूंगी। आज हम सब लोग जो इन खूबसूरत वेबसाइट्स पे मजे से ब्राउजिंग करते हैं, अगर हमारी नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट नहीं होती तो ये मुमकिन नहीं होता। Our next contestant is an expert in digital user experience design, something I have never heard about. What we call UL or UX design. She has worked with 20 plus brands all across the globe in the last 2 years, and she's also the guest speaker panel for 2 education platforms. In her spare time, she teaches design and business to students. She's going to mesmerize the audience with her killer dance moves today. So let's welcome Akshita, our dancing queen. Wow, Akshita, it's fantastic, fantabulous. Meanwhile, can I ask Judge Reeth to kindly provide you valuable feedback for this amazing performance?
Yes, thank you so much, Nidhi. Well, Akshita, first of all, I think as we say on Zoom, clap, clap, clap for you. So, agar mujhse koi puchega to, who is your first love, your husband or your dance? I will always say dance and not my husband. So that's my love for dance, and seeing you perform so well has been so heartening today. What I loved best, what stole my heart was that even though you're not doing a pure classical number, you chose a slightly folk number. You actually took the blessings of the Almighty before you started. That itself shows how pure your performance was, and how much you respect your performance. But super job, keep it up, all the best. And yes, audiences, do vote a 3, 4, 5, 3 be like 4 or 5 for her. Make sure you do that.
Reeth for your feedback, and now over to Krishma.
Let's hear about our sponsors. Dr. Nidhi Gupta from Nucleus Chapter. Her category is dentist. She's the MC as well, and she's gonna give away a complete mouth checkup along with full mouth scan for a family of 4. Then the next sponsor is Madan Singh from Empezar Chapter. His category is leather hard goods gifting. He's gonna give away a genuine leather tray set with brass handle suitable for serving or display. Then we have Vipin Seth from Twiga. His category is textiles. He's going to give a hamper of activewear. Then we have Ankur Serene from Ultimates. His category is retail signage. He's going to give away a decorative neon sign. Wow. Then we have Sucheta Sachdeva from Exuberance. She's a home baker, and she's going to give away some edible hampers. So our next participant plays with line drawings, ruler, and paper. And he's from our chapter. Yes, you guessed it right. ये जनाब हम जैसे लोगों के लिए उनके आशियाना डिजाइन करते हैं. He did his architectural degree from Jaipur in 2006. His office is in Safdarjung Enclave, and with an experience of 15 years, 450 plus happy customers, he creates high-end residential projects. One of his projects was covered in prestigious Elle Decors magazine in March 2021 edition, and his claim to fame is that he did a project with Suzanne Khan at First Prithviraj Road. So let's welcome our chapter ultimates, our own Joginder Singh, who will prove today that he is true Bhangra king. Over to you, Joginder. Wow. Amazing energy. Amazing. Too good.
Rockstar.
Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, Joginder, as we say here in Goa, dude, you rock.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, even though initially I couldn't hear the music, just watching your energy was infectious. Yeah, amazing energy, truly. And then when the music came on, I kid you not, had I not had to sit and actually watch you, I would have been dancing with you.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Awesome job. I love the energy. I love the choreography, the way you all synchronized yourselves. And then there was this back and forth, really well done. And it shows you put in a lot of effort for this performance. Hats off to you guys and wishing you all the best in the finals.
Thank you, sir.
मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना. तो अगर आप अपना घर या ठिकाना बदलते हैं तो ये जनाब आपके बहुत काम आने वाले. So let us find out about who our next participant is. A dreamer since childhood, a beaver since 16, and an entrepreneur for life. A results-driven, self-motivated, and resourceful logistics entrepreneur who is also a practical, hands-on operator helping in moving high-value artwork and high-end residential packing and moving, having a proven ability to ensure first-class delivery to his customers. Naach Gana to bahut ho gaya. It's time to change the flavor a little bit. So let's welcome Anurag Sharma from Chapter Exuberance, who will tickle our funny bone with his stand-up comic act. Over to you, Anurag.
Thank you very much, Mohit. And in fact, thank you so much, Jogi, for putting in such an energy. मजा आ गया दोस्त. अभी आपने देखा पंजाब का शेर, अब आपके सामने दुनिया की पहली स्टैंड-अप कॉमेडी आने वाली है जो बैठ के होगी. कारण कुछ भी हो सकता है मेरी पैंट फटी हो. तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं कुर्सी से. कुर्सी का मैटर तो इतना जबरदस्त है कि जैसे ही राम गोविंद साहब का नाम राष्ट्रपति पद के लिए नॉमिनेट हुआ, यमराज ने अडवाणी जी को फोन मिला दिया और बोला हाँ भाई अब चलने का कोई और बहाना रह रहा है. अडवाणी जी ने भी मुंह फट जवाब दिया, कहते भाई मोदी जी ने भी विकास की बात करी है, उसका मुंह देख के जाऊंगा मैं. यमराज से याद आया कि यमराज के पास जब तक हम सब ना पहुंच जाए, हमारा मनोबल इतना हाई होना चाहिए कि हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे. और हंसने मुस्कुराने का सबसे बड़ा अड्डा है हरियाणा. हरियाणा के एक प्रेमी प्रेमिका छत पे मिल रहे थे. प्रेमिका ने प्रेमी को कस के पकड़ लिया और बोला कि प्रिय तुम्हारा हृदय कुरकुरा से. प्रेमी ने कहा कुरकुरा नहीं है, तूने 5 रुपए का बीड़ी का बंडल तोड़ दिया मेरा. हरियाणा में केवल प्रेमी प्रेमिका ही नहीं, डॉक्टर भी बड़े गजब होते हैं. एक पेशेंट डॉक्टर के पास पहुंचा, कहता डॉक्टर साहब ये मेरी टांगे नीली पड़ती जा रही है. पूरा एग्जामिनेशन हुआ, डॉक्टर ने फैसला निकाला, ओए भाई तेरी तो टांगों में जहर फैला, तेरी टांगे काटनी पड़ेंगी. टांगे काट दी गई थी. टांग कट गई. 3 महीने बाद नकली टांग लेके वही मरीज फिर दोबारा डॉक्टर के पास पहुंच गया और पहुंच के कहता जी ये तो मर्ज वहीं का वहीं है, ये तो नीली ही है टांगे. डॉक्टर ने तब बोला वो तेरी भाई मर्जी समझ में आया, तेरे तो जीन्स ही रंग छोड़ रही है. अब एक अध्यापक की बात सुन लो. मैडम ने सोनू से पूछा, सोनू अगर सूरज भान तुम्हारे पापा को 1 लाख रुपया 2% ब्याज में देता है तो 1 साल के बाद सूरज भान को कितने पैसे वापस मिलेंगे? सोनू ने कहा 1 भी नहीं मिलेगा मैडम. मैडम कहती सूरज भान इसका मतलब तुम्हारा ज्ञान गणित में बिल्कुल बेकार है, तुम तो जानते ही कुछ नहीं. कह रहे मैं तो गणित मैडम पूरी जान रहे हो, आप मेरे बाप को नहीं जानती. अब हमारे यहाँ के जो हरियाणा के बुड्ढे होते हैं ना, वो बहुत ही बढ़िया होते हैं. एक बस में चढ़ते हुए एक जवान लड़की का पांव बुड्ढे के पांव पे पड़ गया, उसने कहा सॉरी। बुड्ढा फौरन बोला सॉरी तो काम को न चले, बराबर का दबाऊंगा। एक बात सबसे जो गंभीर मेरी समझ में आई वो ये आई कि एक बुड्ढा एक लड़के के सिगरेट के तिल्ली फेंकने की वजह से कुर्ता जला बैठा, मगर फिर भी चुप था। लड़के को बड़ी हैरानी हुई, उसने कहा अरे ये हरियाणा का जाट, ऊपर से बुड्ढा और कुर्ता जल गया, फिर भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा। उसने जाके बोला ताऊ राम राम। ताऊ ने कहा राम राम। ताऊ कौन से गांव के हो? ताऊ ने कहा इसके गांव में भी आग लगाएगा। अब आते हैं जी हम यूपी पे। शहर है मेरठ, मेरा अपना। मेरठ शहर में आप कोरोना काल में भी किसी को कह दो भाई साहब मास्क पहन लो, कोरोना चल रहा है, उसने फौरन जवाब देना अजी हाँ हमें हो रहा कोरोना, हम कोरोना को हो जाएंगे। और मेरठ में हमारे एक चाचा पान की दुकान पे बैठे रहते थे, आते जाते बच्चे उनसे मजे लेते थे। कैसे कि पान की दुकान में बैठे हुए चाचा को एक लड़के ने कहा चाचा राम राम, तो चाचा ने क्या जवाब दिया, ओ शर्मा जी का बड़ा लोना सामने।
अनुराग जी, हमारे जो है ना ये गाल दुखने लगे आपकी हंसी के वजह से। बहुत बढ़िया लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के आपका लहजा, आपने जिस तरीके से बात की, नॉर्थ की सैर करवा दी हमको तो आपने। बहुत अच्छा लगा। It was wonderful listening to you.
And let's just now move on to our next participant. हिंदी में एक कहावत है कि होनहार बीरबान के होत चीकने पात. That means a talented person shows the glimpses of the talent right from their childhood. हमारी जो अगली कंटेस्टेंट है वो कुछ ऐसी ही है। वो उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि ये बात मत बताना, लेकिन मुझसे रहा नहीं गया। तो हमारी जो अगली कंटेस्टेंट है वो ऐसी हैं कि ड्यूरिंग हर चाइल्डहुड इन स्कूल डेज शी यूज्ड टू सिंग वेस्टर्न सॉन्ग्स and invariably used to win first or second prize. Other than singing, she loves to cook and also spends her free time doing gardening with a special interest in cactus plants. So guys, थोड़ा ध्यान से जाइएगा इनके पास। और yes, of course, cactus plants, तो ध्यान से जाना जरूरी है। और हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं। और हमारी ये बाजीगर is super talented cards player, सट्टेबाज। She plays poker once a week and is extremely skilled at Uno, Teen Patti and Court Piece. So let's welcome from Chapter Athena our very own melody queen, जिनके पास है सुरों की देन और नाम है मृणालिनी सेन. So over to you, Mrinalini.
Thank you so much, Mohit, for that. I dedicate this song to my BNI experience and of course to my chapter Athena. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, I can't help falling in love with you.
Awesome, awesome, Rinalini. I mean, it was so mesmerizing. And while the poll is on, can I ask Reeth to give us some feedback on this?
Absolutely. Thank you, Mohit. Well, you know, Rinali, when your talent takes your audience to transports your audience to another place, another ambience, I think that speaks for itself. Suddenly मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था that Christmas is around the corner. There is snow falling. There are Christmas trees. You know, everything is lit up around me. That is where your song, the quality of your voice, the sweetness with which you sang, it actually transported me. Well, amazingly sung there, Mrinali. I think just keep it up.
Thanks so much. It's thanks to BNI that I'm back to singing. Otherwise, I'd stopped in school. So thank you.
Very well done.
Thank you, Reeth and Rinalini. We have our little fur baby also somewhere appreciating the music. So great job
Yes.
done. Awesome.
सुपर से भी डुपर परफॉर्मेंसेस की बारिश हो रही है आज. Wow. Congratulations, BNI Delhi South. And now we proceed to sponsor set number 5. The first sponsor in this category is Manjeet, who is from the chapter Dare, and he is in the category of car rental, and he is offering us a cash coupon. The next sponsor is Dr. Anil Sharma from the chapter Nucleus. He is in the category of physiotherapist, and he is going to provide you an online consultation for 30 minutes. The next sponsor is Rupa Vadva. She is from the chapter Ampazar in the category of baker and cake artist, and she is going to provide a hamper of bakery products. The next sponsor is Smita Chaudhary. She is from the chapter Mintage, and she is in the category of candle manufacturing, and she is going to provide us a hamper of scented candles. The last but not the least is Sneha Narang from the chapter Elegant. She is in the category of home baker, and we are getting a hamper of baked goods, brownies, cookies, and tea cakes. For our next performer, I would like to say, चांद से फूलों से या मेरी जुबान से सुनिए, हर तरफ तारीफ किस्सा है जहां से सुनिए. This is for our next participant who is ambidextrous. ये वर्ड सुनकर मेरी आईब्रोज भी ऐसी ही हो गई थी जैसे आप सबकी हो गई हैं. फिर मैंने गूगल किया और इस वर्ड का मतलब समझा. This word says that ambidextrous is a person who can use both the hands, left and right, simultaneously to do one work or to do some job. And guys, I can also do one thing. I can do this with both the hands together. So this is for our next artist. ये नमन है आपके लिए, and he is an ex-army officer, retired as a colonel, with two passions that are making creative artworks and car railing. After having hung his olive green uniform, is pursuing his passion of making paintings, sculptures, cartoons, and other creative artifacts. Let's call on stage Colonel Alok Mathur from chapter Kriga, who will be today attempting sketching with both his hands, left and right together. Over to you, Colonel Alok.
Thank you, Nidhi. It was a great introduction you've given. So I am in the category of an artist in BNI, but I am an artist without any formal training. Okay, so today I'm going to try drawing with both my hands. Let's see how it comes. Right, so there was a girl by the name Flora, and she was very fond of fauna. this is Flora. So one day she decided to go for a walk into the woods. She goes ahead, she looks towards the left, and she finds some rabbit. She moves further ahead. And wow, on the trees, she finds some parakeets. Further, wow, as she moves ahead, on the left, she has, can you imagine? She can see some elephants in the woods. The elephant was grazing and she sees the back. Okay, and now she moves further ahead, and there are even some wild horses. Can you imagine? She sees a few deer also there. And she's a bit tired after all this. So she relaxes in the end. She finally finishes her 4-minute journey, seeing all these animals. Thank you.
Colonel Mathur, hats off to you. Sitting here, watching the deftness of each stroke, the way your entire narrative of the story coming to life in the pictures with both hands. Wow, wow, wow. That is talent. That is talent at its best. Formal training or not, sir, you really are ahead of the basic average people that you tend to call themselves artists. Truly, truly amazed, sir. And I'd like to close by saying thank you for your service to our nation. Thank you so much.
Sir. Thanks a lot, Andre. Thank you for the good words.
Andre, for your valuable feedback. Over to Krishma.
So our next participant is someone जो आपके पैरों तले जमीन खिसका सकता है. Yes, you guessed it right. He's into the business of specialty wooden flooring. In the business from last 15 years, he considers himself as an enthusiastic, energetic, diligent entrepreneur who loves to explore new things. His hobbies are acting, playing cricket, and singing. And his favorite singers are Mukesh and Mohammad Rafi and Kishore Kumar. Let's welcome Gaurav Jain from Chapter Nucleus, who is going to entertain us from with his singing talent today. Over to you, Gaurav.
Good evening to all of you. आने से उसके आए बहार, जाने से उसके जाए बहार, बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। आने से उसके आए बहार, जाने से उसके जाए बहार, बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। गुनगुनाए ऐसे जैसे बजते हो घुंघरू कहीं पे, आके पर्वतों से जैसे गिरता हो झरना ज़मीं पे। करनों की मौज है वो, मौजों की रवानी है मेरी महबूबा, महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा। बन संवल के निकले आए सावन का जब जब महीना, हर कोई ये समझे होगी वो कोई चंचल हसीना। पूछो तो कौन है वो, रुत ये सुहानी है मेरी महबूबा, मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा, महबूबा बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा।
Thank you so much, Gaurav. It was amazing, amazing, amazing.
We all know that they say music knows no boundaries. So I think truly today Gaurav has crossed all the boundaries, taken us back, transported us to one of those nostalgic songs that all of us kind of grew up with. Beautifully rendered, a beautiful rendition of that song. Gaurav, thank you so much for taking us to another era. Lovely.
Let's move on to our next participant. So जरा ध्यान से बैठिएगा और अपनी पकड़ बनाए रखिएगा, क्योंकि आज जमीन हिलने वाले बहुत जमीन हिलाने वाले बहुत लोग हैं यहाँ. Coincidentally, our next participant is also in the business of wooden flooring. He is a 5th generation entrepreneur, a simple person who takes life as it comes. During his college days, he was a theater artist and used to write, direct, and act in plays. He also runs a laughter club online with a friend from BNI. Wow. Let's call upon the stage Mere Hum Naam Ko, Mohit Mitra from chapter EAT. I'm sure you can't resist laughing looking at his stand-up comic acts. Over to you, Mohit.
So, आपने देख ही लिया होगा कि अगर EAT के मैं अगर यहाँ पर EAT को यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करो तो हमारे चैप्टर में कितना टैलेंट भरा होगा कि अगर मेरे को यहाँ पर मौका मिल गया तो कैसा हमारे कितना टैलेंट हमारे पास वहां से आया होगा. तो आज कहानी सुनाता हूँ मैं अपने फादर की. मेरे फादर ना एक बड़े पेक्यूलियर से फिगर है. अब मेरे फादर ना हर चीज को चीज की तरह नहीं लेते, हर चीज को बड़ा इमोशन की तरह भी लेते हैं. अब उसमें से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है चाय. चाय उनके लिए हॉट बेवरेज नहीं है, उनके लिए वो इमोशन है. आप उनको खाना मना कर दो चलेगा, अगर आप उनको कह दोगे ना चाय, वो आदमी हर्ट होकर बैठ जाएगा कि तुमने चाय मना कर दी पीने के लिए। My father is so emotional about चाय, वो लड़ पड़ेंगे सारे घर से कि मैं खुद बना लूंगा, मैं करना सब जानता हूँ चाय के। वो चाय के मामले में ऐसे फिनिकी है, सारी चीजें एक तरफ, चाय एक तरफ। he takes 15 to 20 mugs, मतलब मग माने कि बड़े वाले मग जो नाड़ तक भरे होते हैं ना, वो वाले कप्स की बात नहीं कर रहा मैं।
ओए होए।
हाँ, ऐसे ही अब मेरे फादर ना, अब उनको जो गुस्सा आ जाए वो नेक्स्ट लेवल गुस्सा करते हैं। वो हर बार गुस्से में बात वहां तक ले जाएंगे कि भाई मुझे तूने 11th में ना मोहित साइंस नहीं ली थी, 22 दिन के बाद छोड़ दी थी। अब मुझे भी याद रहता कि मैंने 22 दिन के बाद साइंस छोड़ दी थी, रट गया मुझे एक बार। और मेरी बेटी 10 साल की है आज, और हर बार मेरे को ये बताना होता है कि मैं वहां तक चली जाती है कहानी। और मेरे फादर इज ऑल्सो अ फेसबुक बफ। अब वो जैसे बड़े होते जा रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा लगता है कि यार मैं कोई पूछे तो उन्होंने एक ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया 40+ जिसमें सब 60+ है। इस ग्रुप के अंदर जहां पर लोग रोज सुबह भगवान की एक फोटो डालते हैं और जय श्री राम लिखते हैं, तो 500 लोग उसके नीचे जय श्री राम लिखते हैं। उनके पास उनके मेल अकाउंट में 500 रोज मेल होती है जय श्री राम। अब वहां पर उन्होंने एक दिन लिखा, वो बीमार थे कि आई एम नॉट वेल, प्लीज विश मी वेल। तो उन्होंने टोल्ड हिम बोथ आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी दी मैसेजेस, तू यार जरा फेसबुक पे चेक कर मेरे। अब मैंने फेसबुक उनका खोला तो कह रहे देख मेरे 2 अकाउंट होंगे। तो 2 अकाउंट होंगे फेसबुक के? मैं भी कहा हमारे बाप पिताजी के 2 अकाउंट है। कह रहे एक समर्स वाला अकाउंट, एक विंटर्स वाला अकाउंट। समर, मैंने समर वेकेशन विंटर वेकेशन सुने, हाउ डू यू डिफरेंशिएट इट? वो कह रहे जिसमें मैंने हाफ स्लीव्स की शर्ट पहनी है जिसके अंदर वो समर्स वाला अकाउंट, जिसमें मैंने सूट पहना है वो विंटर्स वाला अकाउंट। तो you told me, अब विंटर्स वाले में जा और वहां पर 40 मैसेज तो मैंने सबको पढ़ा, ठीक है ना। अब मेरे पिताजी थोड़े भोले वाले हैं, उनके पास जैसे अब अनुपम सर कहते हैं ना, स्टोरी सेल्स फैक्ट्स टेल। अब हमारे यहाँ पर स्टोरी नेवर एंड्स। हमारे पास हमेशा कहानियां, उनके पास हमेशा एक कहानी तो चल रही होती है। अब दिवाली पे लोग हमारे पास मिठाई लेके आते हैं, उसमें से केशव जी है, केशव गुप्ता, जो हर साल आते हैं। अब उनका कुछ बैकग्राउंड दे दूं, वो मेरे फादर के पहले सेल्स पर्सन थे जो वहां काम करते थे। अब वो ही ग्रू अपार्ट, उसने अपना काम कर लिया। अब उसके मेरे पिताजी के अंडर काम करता, तो मेरे बाप ने उसको सुनने की तो रखी नहीं। वो कुछ भी बोले, वो कहानी सुनने ही आता था। वो अपने रिगार्ड्स पे करने आता था, तो 1.5 घंटा की कहानी सुन के आता था। इस बार कहानी थी पैसे पे, और पैसा क्या होता है? माया। केशव आया था अनिल के साथ, केशव गुप्ता अनिल जी के साथ आया था, और कहानी शुरू हुई, बेटा पैसा क्या है? माया। और माया किसी की नहीं, माया तो हाथ की मैल है। के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए। वो केशव हाथ दिखा रहा है कि बहू जी रुक जाओ, वो कह रहा है तू चुप कर, रुक बेटा, तुम सारा दिन माया के पीछे भागते भागते अलग हो। माया कुछ नहीं, माया कभी तेरे पास, कभी मेरे पास, कभी इसके पास, कभी वो हाथ जोड़ के खड़े होकर बहू जी रुक जाओ, इसके साथ है, उसके बीवी का नाम माया। रुक जाओ। And these are real stories. अब हमारी दिवाली पर केशव आयना है हर साल, छोले भटूरे के साथ माया की बात जरूर होती है। So thank you so much, and that was my time. Thank you so much. I hope you had a good time. Bye bye bye.
Thank you.
भाई पहले बंद कर दिया था मैंने, घंटी क्यों बजाई?
Thank you विशाल। हंस के वैसे मेरे पेट में दर्द हो गया, ऊपर से इतनी लंबी भजन बजा दी। और can I request Reet to give some feedback on the performance?
Absolutely. Thank you, Mohit. Well, I don't know which Mohit to thank more, but Mitra, I think you were absolutely awesome. ये तो सही बात है यार, चाय पे तो आप किसी को रोक नहीं सकते हो, तो वो तो पापा जी एकदम सही बात पे गुस्सा हुए थे। But ये सब ठीक है. I really want to meet your पापा जी now because he sounds like a very very fun, awesome. बहुत मजा आया, and the best part was कि आप की स्माइल देखकर हमें और अच्छी स्माइल आ रही थी। सो कीप इट अप, कीप डूइंग सो वेल। बहुत मजा आया। आई थिंक वी ऑल हैड अ हार्टी लाफ। सबके यहाँ पे अभी थोड़ा सा दर्द हो गया है। सो गुड जॉब देयर।
थैंक्स अ लॉट।
सो हमारे जो अगले कंट्रीब्यूटर हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग द शो ऑफ द ग्राउंड आर Sumit Arora from Empizar. He is into entertainment service, and he's going to get us 2 celebrities for the grand finale. So awesome, Sumit. Thank you. Neeta Nagpal again from Empizar. She is an artist provider, and she is also sponsoring a celebrity for the grand finale. Bhai, iske bina to hamara kaam hi nahi chalega. Thank you so very much. And then we have Hina Sodi from Mintage She's a graphic designer and she's the creative partner. ये जो बहुत सारे आप creatives देख रहे हैं, ये इन्होंने और हमारे अगले sponsor जो हैं सोनल सहगल from Nucleus into search engine optimization, इन दोनों ने मिलके, both of them are the creative partners, इन दोनों ने मिलके हमारा ये अच्छे से creatives बना के हमें दिए हैं, जो background दिख रहा है, जो participant की photos दिख रहे हैं. Thank you so very much for your contributions. Over to Nidhi.
मोहित, आज तो मेरा मन भी रुमानी हो रहा है, गाना गाने का मन कर रहा है. 1 2 3, बस 3. Yes, 3. Our next contestant is a group of 3 performers. They are an art supplier, a perfume supplier, and a graphic designer. Our art supplier works at enhancing spaces using multiple mediums. They create paintings, wall art, sculptures, metal installations, and more. With 20 years of experience, their clients, their team produces a range of quality products which changes the vibe of every space they work in. A perfume supplier likes to try different cuisines, exploring heritage, monument, and traveling. He likes playing cricket and listening to all kinds of songs. Graphic designer is an avid reader and creative person. She enjoys all forms of art, be it design, music, or writing. She endeavors to look at the bright side of life and make others round. Just like an art can't be complete with only one color, a talent can't be complete without a flawless mix of different songs in the form of a melody. So here presenting Vijaya, Rahul, and Hina from the chapter Mintage with a beautiful melody of songs. So hijack the stage, guys.
Thank you, Nidhi, for such a lovely introduction, and thank you everyone for having us. So today we present a medley, and we love this medley and hope that you all also will love it. Over to you, Rahul, and let's rock Mintage.
Let's rock. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, तेरी बाहों में मर जाए हम.
अंबर सरिया मुंडिया वे कचिया, कलियां ना तोड़ तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे, तीखे से बोलो अंबर सरिया.
तू सफर मेरा है, तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल.
ओ कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी मैनू जुट्टी ले दे सोनिया, मैं कहना गोरिए ना 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 गोरिए.
तेरे दर पर सनम चले आए, तू ना आया तो हम चले आए, चले आए, चले आए.
दो पल रुका ख्वाबों का कारवां, और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम कहाँ. दो पल की थी ये दिलों की दास्तां, और फिर चल दिए तुम कहाँ हम कहाँ.
मेरे हाथ में तेरा हाथ हो, सारी जन्नतें मेरे साथ हो, तू जो पास हो फिर क्या ये जहां, तेरे प्यार में हो जाऊं फना.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ तुमसे प्यार हुआ, मैं भी आशिक यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
हमको हमी से चुरा लो, दिल में कहीं तुम छुपा लो, हम अकेले खो न जाए, दूर तुमसे हो न जाए, पास आओ गले से लगा लो। आहू 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 आहू।
कदी ते हस बोल वे न जिंद साडी रोल वे, कदी ते हस बोल वे न जिंद साडी रोल वे, तू आजा दिल जानिया दे कर मेहरबानिया, तू आजा दिल जानिया दे कर मेहरबानिया, न सानू तेरी रोल वे न जिंद साडी रोल वे, कदी ते हस बोल वे न जिंद साडी रोल वे।
आहू 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 आहू।
Well, Hina, Rahul, Vijaya, to be honest, I was very anxious to see three different connections trying to sing a song, a medley that too. And when it was first announced, I was a little apprehensive as to what the outcome would be. Let me tell you, in the first few seconds itself, I realized all my fears were unfounded. Seamless transitions. What I also liked was the range of memories and emotions with the choice of songs you had. It was a lovely lilt. And every time a new song came up, that feeling that I could connect or relate to that song. Fantastic job done, guys. You not only do your chapter proud, you do yourself proud. And I wish you the very best for the competition.
Wow,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, so our next contestant is a postgraduate from Delhi School of Economics, metal fabricator for last 27 years. His wife Achala is a Russian language translator who works at Fox Studios, Netflix, and Amazon Prime. His son Ayaz is pursuing his graduation in aeronautical engineering from United States. He calls himself a foodie, and his hobbies and interests are singing and traveling. Calling our last contestant of the day, Mohammad Yasin from Chapter Exuberance, who is going to sing for all of us. Over to you, Yasin.
Thank you. Thank you very much. अकेली मत जाइयो राधे जमुना के तीर, हो जी हो जी हो तो गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा, तू गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा, हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा, ओ हमारा तुम्हारा रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा तुम्हारा। अगर तू है सागर तो मझधार में हूँ, मझधार में हूँ, तेरे दिल की कश्ती का पतवार में हूँ, पतवार में हूँ। चलेगी अकेले ना तुमसे ये नैया, न तुमसे ये नैया, मिलेगी ना मंजिल तुम्हें बिन खेवैया, तुम्हें बिन खेवैया। ओ चले आओ जी, चले आओ जी, चले आओ मौजों का लेकर सहारा, हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा, हो हमारा तुम्हारा रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा तुम्हारा। भला कैसे टूटेंगे बंधन ये दिल के, बंधन ये दिल के, बिछड़ती नहीं मौज से मौज मिलके, ये मौज मिलके। छुपोगे भंवर में तो छुपने न देंगे, तो छुपने न देंगे, डुबो देंगे नैया तुम्हें ढूंढ लेंगे, तुम्हें ढूंढ लेंगे। ओ बनाएंगे हम, बनाएंगे हम, बनाएंगे तूफान को लेकर सहारा, हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा, वो हमारा तुम्हारा रहेगा मिलन, ये हमारा तुम्हारा। हो जी हो, नमस्कार।
Thank you, Yasinji. A very, very nostalgic song, a very old favorite. And you know, they say that the only thing better than singing is more singing. And to end on such a beautiful note, such a beautiful evening, absolutely wonderful. Absolutely. Thank you. You've touched a chord. Thank you so much.
हर अच्छी चीज खत्म होती है, हम चाहते नहीं कि खत्म हो, बट बिफोर दैट what an amazing mind boggling performance by each participant. मेरे पास तो शब्द ही नहीं बचे हैं सबकी तारीफ करने के लिए, to be very honest. और इनफैक्ट मैं तो परेशान हूँ जजेस के लिए, उनका काम कितना मुश्किल कर दिया है आप सब लोगों ने। 100% धुएं निकलने वाले हैं फाइनल रिजल्ट देने में इन तीन लोगों के। सो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, आज के टॉप 3 परफॉर्मर्स विल मूव टू द फाइनल्स।
बामुलाइजा होशियार, अब आ रही हैं आपके सामने मल्लिका बीएनआई दिल्ली साउथ। नाम तो आप सबने सुना ही होगा। Any guesses? Over to you, Anjali ma'am, for the surprise item on the agenda.
Oh my God! तुमने मेरे को क्या खिताब दे दिया, अनुपम?
मुझे नहीं पता था इतना टैलेंट है हमारे अंदर, कूट कूट के भरा हुआ है। तो जिसे कहते हैं ना, उस दिन किसी ने जोक भेजा था कि हम अदरक की तरह उतना ही सुधरे जितने कूटे गए। तो मुझे लग रहा है कि कूट कूट के टैलेंट भरा हुआ है, इसे कूट कूट के ही बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा। तो आई जस्ट लव्ड इट, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया।
Before the judges announced, Raina, I'm supposed to be announcing ना?
हाँ जी मैम, you both.
बड़ा मुश्किल है यार। हे भगवान, you made my life difficult. But अगर मेरे दिल से पूछो, so yes, I loved Sachin, your instrument, and I loved Akshata, your dance. And yes, the Bhangra was Gazab. Colonel, your story and your talent of drawing with the both hands was exceptional. Anyway, keeping this short so that we can announce the winners, I would like to give it to Akshata. You did a fabulous performance. Very well done.
Thank you so much. It was really fun performing.
Super. So over to the now judges. We would love to hear, because I'm eagerly waiting who are the 3 people. And after that, I have another announcement to make.
So really, all the contestants, first of all, let's just have a clap, clap, clap for all of you. Pat your backs. This has been one of the most enjoyable Saturday evenings that I have personally had in a long, long time. Bada maza aaya. It was too good. Honestly, we just had to pick 3. हमको तो 5, 6, 7 pick up करने थे, पर मोहित जी was like नहीं, 3 ही pick up करने हैं. So we picked up, we had to choose only 3. Having said that, for the rest 10 of you who performed today, I think you guys were too good. Kudos. Keep up the talent going. Don't leave aside what you are doing. Make sure you continue doing whatever you have showcased today, because trust me, each and every one of you are really, really good at it. Having said all that, let's not wait any further, and in no order as such, we're just going to be announcing the name of the 3 finalists from today. Like I said, in no order as such. So the first finalist from today's participants is the one who actually took me to Christmas, Mrinali Sengupta. Yes. So super job done there, Mrinali.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
So over to you, Kavita, for the next one.
Thank you, Reet, and congratulations, guys. It was really difficult. We almost felt bad being judges today because we had to select out of a wonderful lot of people today. It was really difficult. I think you can judge that. So again, like Reet said, not in any particular order, but the next contestant to have made it to the finals is Sachin. Sachin, a beautiful selection of song, very apt for the month that we are in, and it absolutely invoked some beautiful emotions. So Sachin wonderfully played. The way you were playing with your eyes closed completely shows your enjoyment in your passion. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. And Andre, over to you for the third one.
Thank you. Attending a lot of talent shows, the judges, it is upon the judges to always say that it was a very close finish and you all did very well. I'm not joking when I tell you the scores were in differences of decimal points. They were not massive margins. The difference in the scores were decimal points. It just goes to show, like Anupam was just saying, koot ke bhara hai yahan pe talent. Truly impressed with what South Delhi has come up with. A Saturday evening, very well spent. Very, very well spent. Hats off to you guys. Again, in no particular order, many of my favorites missed out, and I would love to see you guys perform again. But if we had to choose, my choice moving on to the finals is Joginder Singh. Really amazing job done, sir. Sound na hote hue, fir sound aane ke baad, the way the energy came across, awesome. Awesome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, judges. Thank you. Wonderful having you here. Over to Anjali for the vote of thanks.
और रुक जाओ, कुछ सरप्राइजेस हमारी तरफ से भी होते हैं. So Anupam, will you please unmute?
Yes, Anjali.
Okay, so Anupam and I suddenly decided that we need to have a wild card entry for the final. So दिल थाम के बैठिए. आज कितने परफॉर्मेंसेस थे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 13 परफॉर्मेंस से एक और वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री जाएगी फाइनल में. अनुपम, आप प्लीज उस वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री का नाम अनाउंस करेंगे?
So अंजलि, मैंने तो आप पे
समा बांध के
मैंने तो आप पे छोड़ दिया. अब आप डिसाइड करें. मैंने
नहीं,
तो अपना राय
आप
दे दी
अनाउंस
थी.
करें. आप अनाउंस करें. चले.
तो मेरी तरफ से जो है, जो कि लाफ्टर क्लब चलाता है और उसने हंसा के मेरी जो है शाम को रंगीन कर दिया. एंड मोहित मित्रा is my wild card entry. Congratulations, Mohit. Congratulations. And it's not easy, making fun of your dad. It's not easy. It's not easy. And he did a brilliant job.
So I will thank the judges and Reet, all the way from Mumbai. You are a rock star. I love you. You know that. And the first set of judges, the name recommendation was yours. And then next was Kavita and Andre. Those of you who attended BNI INC, you saw what an amazing treasure hunt they did. So maybe Andre and Kavita, you guys can do the next emceeing for BNI Delhi South's treasure hunt in the treasure talent hunt, like a treasure hunt. And Reet, मास्टर कनेक्टर को जैसे तू निकालती है ना खींच के, और उनमें से उनका टैलेंट कि how they've become master connectors, that is one art I love in you, how you groom and coach everyone to speak and highlight the best, and the way you took out the best out of our panelists. the talent guys. I'm so grateful to all three of you finding time and coming all the way from Mumbai, Pune and Goa. Andre, मैं गोवा आ रही हूँ.
आओ जरूर आओ.
Virtually filal. So guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy and so honored and so grateful that all three of you could make it and stick till 9:30. I'm sure your families must be screaming ki ye ho kya raha hai, but I know your love for all of us as BNI, it's givers gain, and thank you so much. Anupam, आप कुछ दो शब्द और बोलना चाहेंगे? इजाफा करेंगे मेरे ऑस्कर्स की स्पीच पे?
हार्टलैंड से मेरा भाई और वेस्ट इंडिया से मेरी बहनें, भाइयों तथा बहनों. Joking. All right, guys, thank you so much. I can't even tell you, how grateful we are, how much it sort of enthusiasms us to see you folks supporting our region. It takes a lot of time, effort, and energy, and yet you were there every moment of it. I know the people made your job difficult, but I can see that आप लोगों में भी talent कूट के भरा हुआ है. You really got out the right people. Thank you so much for being here, for encouraging us, for supporting us. I love you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It was our pleasure. And हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे. हमको भी वो पंजाबी folk four में थोड़ा नाचना गाना. So we are going to spend some more time here.
Love you guys. Love you.
So I would like to thank Dr. Nidhi, our MC, Mohit Sareen, Krishma. You guys have done a fantastic job. Amazingly amazing. And I would like to thank our participants and our dear sponsors for being part of this wonderful event. And special thanks to our entire DNA and LT team for your support all throughout. Thank you so much, everyone. Over to Raina, please.
Thank you so much. In case my internet plays smart, Anjali ji, please take over. But I have to just ensure and say that events are always a teamwork. So on behalf of BNI Delhi South, I would like to specially thank the entire host team over here, the team who conceptualized, he got the execution on the every level, the team who is helping us get all the sponsors on board, managing all the participants, and finally on the production level at the backstage. So thank you so much, Shilpa Gupta, Neha Agarwal, Mohit Sareen, Atul Sharma, Vishal Jindan, and everyone in the BNI DS events team. I am so grateful to you. Because of you, the event is up, and especially the audience and all the members of BNI Delhi South. ये सारी मेहनत सिर्फ आपके लिए है. We love you all. And the EDs, we are grateful to you that you had provided us a platform जिसमें हम इतना सारा talent showcase कर सकते हैं. And over to you, Anjali and Anupam ji, for the closure.
Raina, you've forgotten to thank every member of every chapter who actually came forward. And that is how these people came forward to do part of the first semi-final. And next week, the second semi-final.
लिस्ट इतनी लंबी है कि मैं 15 मिनट तक सभी को मेरी पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट एंड स्पेशली जो हर चैप्टर पे आए हैं लोग सामने के लिए, it is heartwarming to see so much of participation. BNI Delhi South stands together to get such a rocking show. So I'm really grateful to each and everyone who participated in any possible way. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am.
So Raina, get the names from each chapter who participated. We will give them a certificate of gratitude for participating and showing their talent, if not as BNI Delhi South today, but in their own chapters. So we would love to recognize every member.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, and thank you everyone. Dil se sponsors, MCs, back-end team, and judges, of course. उनके बिना ये शो नहीं हो सकता. और हाँ, रायना मेरे और अनुपम के बिना भी नहीं हो सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम होने नहीं दोगी. But guys, the most important is our members. Members, you are the one who makes us do what we are and who we are. And we are a team together. Let's rock it.